All right. Next Khan Academy for systems is called Number of Solutions to a System of Equation. This time it's algebraically, not graphically. So here's how you can do the easiest way to do this is take any equation that you have been given and make sure that it's in slope-intercept form. So you'll notice this one, the bottom equation is, the top equation's not there. We need to divide everything by 3. So let's do that first. When I divide everything by 3, oh, geez, I screwed up. Do you see that? This right here should have been a 3, by the way. Not that it changes anything in this, but that should have been a 3. So my apologies for that. So on this one, you will notice the very first thing you got to notice is that my slope on this is different. If my slope is different, we're done. If the slope is different, it's always one solution. So when the slope, let me even write that. Slope is different, always one solution. There you go. So let's solution. There you go. If the slope is different, it's always one solution. Here you notice the slopes are different, so it's one solution. Now, again, I'm giving you an example of each type here. So let's do the next one right here. You will notice the first one is in slope-intercept form. The second one is not. So I need to divide everything by 7 to get it there. When I do that, let's hope I did this one correct, and I did. This time, you will notice that my slopes are the same. Okay? If my slopes are the same, it's either going to mean that I have no solutions, that the two lines will never intersect, or it means I will have infinite solutions, meaning they are the exact same line and they have infinite solutions together, which means we now have to look at the y-intercept. And here you'll notice that the y-intercepts are the same. So if the slopes are the same and the y-intercepts are the same, then you know these two are exactly the same line. And when they're exactly the same line, it's infinite solutions. All right, let's do one more. Obviously, this one's going to be a no solution one. Hey, the nice part is they already gave us both of these in slope-intercept form, so I don't have to manipulate them. You will notice, again, the slopes are exactly the same. But this time, you will notice that the y-intercepts are not the same. Meaning, if this one started with a head start and this one started behind and they go at the exact same rate, this one will never catch up to this one. So, because it will never catch up, they will never cross paths, this one has no solutions. Hopefully that makes sense. Good luck to you, and we'll see you on Google Hangouts. Bye-bye.